was rupees 129 billion against a budget estimate of rupees 6 billion. So for our own resources, our three departments, the Sindh Revenue Board is going to collect more than 300 billion rupees in this year. The Excise and Taxation Department is going to collect almost 200 billion rupees cash, apart from the bank guarantees that are submitted, and the Board of Revenue will collect about 30 billion rupees. So the non-tax revenues have been proposed to be at rupees 1.5 billion. So for the next financial year, the budget outlay for provincial expenditure for year 2025-26, as I said earlier, is rupees 3.45 trillion. This marks an increase of 12.9% over budget estimates of the current financial year. I will very briefly present the components of current revenue, capital and development expenditures. Budget estimates for current revenue expenditures have been pitched at rupees 2.15 trillion, which is 12.4% higher than budget estimates of 1.9 trillion for the current financial year. The increase is mainly due to inflationary impact on the operating expense enhancement of grant and aid to non-financial institutions, including hospitals, public sector universities, local councils, necessary salary rise in shape of relief allowance to government employees, and raise in pension expenditure due to increase in pensions. Highlight of budget estimates for 2025-26. Then I'll just talk about the major departments. Education sector, we are proposing an expenditure of rupees 524 billion against last year's budget of rupees 458 billion. For primary education, the allocation is being enhanced from 136 billion to 156 billion. For middle and elementary, it increased from 36.2 to 42.7 billion. For secondary education, 68.5 billion to 77.2 billion. For college education, we are increasing by rupees 5 billion. The proposal for next year is rupees 39.53 billion. For higher education, we have kept a budget of rupees 42 billion for next financial year. So for the differently abled persons, the DEPD department, we are increasing the provisions of funds from rupees 11.6 billion to rupees 17.3 billion for budget estimates of 2025-26. Then in the health sector, the budget estimates of financial year 25-26 have been proposed to be rupees 326.5 billion against rupees 302 billion, with an increase of 8% over last year's budget. This includes rupees 18.2 billion reserved for medical education next year. Sir, on the development side, we started with a portfolio of rupees 595 billion, but due to resource constraints, we have brought and rationalized the ADP down to rupees 520 billion. Therefore, only 475 new schemes have been proposed in ADP 2025-26. These are linked to high priority areas including flood rehabilitation, renewable energy, development in less 5 developed districts, uplift of divisional headquarters, clean water and sanitation. A focused increase of 20% has been proposed for social and productive sectors, while allocation for other departments has remained constant. The budget allocation for major sectors for next financial year are rupees 99.6 billion for education, rupees 45.3 billion for health, rupees